South Korea's Defense Acquisition Program Administration, DAPA, stated on Monday, September 18, that the information that the United Arab Emirates, UAE, would join the KF-21 Boramae Program was baseless, unfounded. DAPA said this after confirming the news to various parties. After checking all relevant agencies and departments, this information is baseless, said DAPA spokesperson Choi Kyung-ho, quoted by Yonhap. As is known, foreign online media recently reported that the UAE could replace Indonesia's unpaid KF-21 contribution. Other media also reported on the 14th that the Tawasan Economic Committee, which is responsible for the acquisition of the UAE's defense industry, has recently sent a letter to the presidential office expressing its intention to cooperate with KF-21. The KF-21 Boramae Program is a joint program between South Korea and Indonesia to develop a prototype 4.5-generation fighter aircraft. This program was originally called KF-XIFX. South Korea intends to acquire 120 KF-21 fighter jets, which will be developed in several variants. Meanwhile, Indonesia initially planned to acquire around 48 units of this aircraft. Along the way, the KF-21 development program emerged due to delays in payments for this program dues from the Indonesian side. As is known, Jakarta bears 20% of the total development costs of the KF-21. Indonesia is obliged to pay contributions worth up to 1.7 trillion won,